Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota estate planning attorney. A few years ago, a firestorm erupted over the whole area of estate planning from a case in Florida that involved a young lady by the name of Terry Schiavo. That case of Terry Schiavo in Florida several years ago provides a graphic example of why every adult should have a health care directive. Unfortunately, it's now reported that 80% of the population does not have one, and most people would not want to be in the situation of the Schiavo family. In that case, a 27-year-old woman went into the hospital for a simple medical procedure, but fell into a coma, but she lived for several years later. She had no health care directive, so her family could not decide her medical treatment. The case went all the way through the Florida courts, as well as Congress, the White House, and the U.S. Supreme Court. It certainly was a very sad affair. A health care directive under Minnesota law can go by many names. Sometimes it's called a living will, or an advance care declaration, or a health care power of attorney. They all mean the same thing. A health care directive identifies who you would want to make your medical treatment decisions if you're not able to make those choices on your own. The choice of the health care agent or health care proxy is one that you should carefully consider. It should be someone you trust, who is sensitive to your wishes regarding health care, but at the same time, a person who can make a tough decision on your behalf if it comes to that. The Health Care Directive spells out what medical procedures and medications you would want and which ones you would not want. However, with the constant improvements in medicine, some procedures that at one time may have been painful or intrusive may become more tolerable at the time your health care agent must make a decision. That's why your discussion with your health care agent is so very important. A health care directive can also direct what you want to be done with your body after death, including whether or not you want cremation or organ donation. You can also designate funeral arrangements and burial location. Having a health care directive is very important for you and your entire family. Talk to your attorney or your doctor about one soon. I'm Bill Peterson, estate planning attorney. I'd like to talk to you about your health care directive and any other needs that you have for your estate plan. Call me at 952-921-5818. I'll be looking forward to talking to you soon.